Before?
Yes, I ridden it so many times.
Where do you go?
Larkspur, Santa Rosa, Sonoma County Airport. Which is usually the smart train is usually the airport connector.
Right.
Just like Union Pearson Express, that's cousin part. Oh, what's new on this crossing? Whoa, there are many new crossings in there. Is it just me, or did they put new
Cement right there.
yes. They just replaced the black cement on this crossing.
So the black stuff is called asphalt.
Yes.
And the gray stuff is called cement.
Yes.
Cement is a lot harder, and it doesn't get soft when it gets hot like the asphalt does.
Yes, that's true.
Because the asphalt will change its shape, and that's not good at a railroad crossing.
I like the cement stuff on the railroad crossing. I'm used to that.
Smoother.
It'll give it less of a bumpy ride.
Yeah, it's a lot smoother.
Not since all the Amtrak crashes that happened. It goes from the Amtrak Coast Starlight crash back in June of 2023, July 2023. I think I know which units are damaged. 300 was damaged. But don't forget the Southwest Chief got damaged too. I don't want the smart train cannot end up like the Southwest Chief or the Coast Starlight crash. Oh, Steve, I should tell you what Sal did.
What's that?
Way back in my day, Sal used to crash two buses.
What?
Old 34 and Old 39. Two 2005 or 2006 Ford Boober Markbirds.
How did he crash?
Like, was on loud, kids talking so loud. He crashed into some type of lamppost on bus 34. And then on bus 39, he got crashed too. Even on bus 43.
Oh no.
He crashed 3 buses. He should have got fired by now.
Oh my goodness.
Sal is still a troublemaker. I call him troublemaker.
You gotta keep your eye on him.
Yep. And Buzz, I call Sal old.
Old.
Thinking of which, Sal and Mo are both short and old.
They are both.
Thank you for agreeing,
They're
Steve.
definitely not young.
Yeah. Ow, ow.
They're not young at all.
Hope is 81.
Who?
No, I'm 18.
Oh, you're 18?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm 41.
You're E41, alright.
Ah, that's funny. E41.
And Buzz, are you gonna have my cell earlier or not?
Maricel?
My cell.
What about her?
Like I saw her driving E41.
Oh, that one got towed to Sacramento, AZ bus. There's something wrong with the batteries.
Hopefully, like, oh no, what did E36 do to E41? Yeah, you better say,
She's driving 33 right now, the diesel.
Oh, I saw 33 yesterday.
That was her.
Was it Route 6?
Yes, it was. But she also does some other route or some other stops besides Route 6. I used to drive Route 6 all the time, and then she took it. She took it from,
You.
well, not just me, other people. Which
August-
she got her license. So that's her.
August
Her
Phil. Like, I just remember Phil used to drive Route 6
Yeah, he
on.
drives a big bus.
Yes.
Yeah, I always wave to him when we pass each other on the freeway or on the street.
I think I know the buses Phil drove. 14, 7, 5, E11, E10, and what else?
You're talking about when he used to work for
Yep.
us? Okay.
And then Phil quit, and then Sal took over his route. Sal drove Old 40 and E11. Yes. Plus Hope hates 40. I don't want to mention 40's number. Ow. I mean, I like 40. Yeah. And Buzz, we got another first student coming. It's a Shelby Thomas Minotaur in the 2015. I know what the number is. 152 and 152, 184.
Right here. You want to turn right here?
Turn left, right? Turn left in here, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And I see 152, 184 is there.
I dropped off Juliana in the afternoon.
Hmm? Oh, no first student.
Your destination
Darn
is
it.
on the right.
Too bad, so sad.
I'm gonna go turn around at the end. Is that what Mo does?
Mo usually
Can't-
stops
you can't go
near
all the way around.
the second
It's
one.
this one. It's this one right here.
Right here?
Yeah, right here.
Okay. I don't see anybody.
You have to do the backup beat first.
Well, I'm actually gonna turn around so I can go out the same way that I came in.
No Christian.
No, Christian.
Knew it. Ow.
Are you okay, Caleb?
My ear is itching. And Hope, you know what Kaylee did to me yesterday?
She stopped your hair.
No! She slapped me in the face!
Ah,
That's not even funny.
It's not nice.
Yeah, obvious to my little troublemaker.
Everybody should keep their hands to themselves.
Yes. I can't believe my cat slapped me. I am gonna kiss her bald head.
Alright, where is Evan and Juliana?
Evans should be coming right there.
Where?
Right there, this one.
Down the steps over here?
Yeah, right there.
Oh, there's Juliana.
That's true.
Hello? Yes. Yes. Okay, thanks.
Juliana's coming. You need to do the backup.
So where is Evan?
Evan's coming.
There he is.
Hey, Steve.
Yes. Hi, Juliana.
Bye, July.
Thank you. Hi.
Hi. Hi, Mia.
Morgan. My name's Steve. I'm helping out today. Okay.
Bye.
Hey, Steve.
Mm-hmm.
Just to warn you, there's an error.
Oh, it says no error.
I know, but Mo said to me I had to keep an eye on the error if
Oh,
it
that's
pops
right.
up.
Remember, yeah, she told her right before she
Head
was.
southwest toward Petaluma Boulevard North, then turn left onto Petaluma Boulevard North. Turn left onto Petaluma Boulevard North.
Hey Steve, if E38 doesn't work, are you gonna drive a van or maybe E40?
You know which one I was gonna drive?
Yeah.
E36.
No!
There's nothing wrong with it.
No freaking E36!
There's nothing wrong with it. Actually, you know what? E36 is getting a new transmission any day now.
Oh, good.
Exit on Down Drive.
So E35 has a check engine light.
It has a. Oh,
E36 is getting a transmission. E39, the heater doesn't work.
E39.
E41 is towed to the dealership. Let's see. What else?
And
What else?
E34.
Nothing wrong with that one.
No, what? You're fine.
33 needs new batteries. I gotta put those in today.
Well,
In a quarter mile, turn
31.
right onto Schumann Lane.
Diesel 33.
Thanks for stepping out.
Wait, what about 31?
31's fine.
You're fine.
If you drive bus 31, I go to be cringe. I really don't even like
I think
bus
Sal
31.
drives 31 sometimes.
You're fine.
Sal drives 31?
I think so.
Oh no, I hate that one.
Uh,
31 is so disgusting and rough, recording to Kyle.
rough.
Yeah, 31 is so rough, it makes me.
It's bouncy.
Yep. Well, 32.
32 is good. I had a fuel leak for a long time and I finally fixed that one.
I know a few weeks ago I saw 32 parked right next to 8. Or
Yeah, because
something.
it was broken over there. And we wanted it out of the way.
It was to make room for electric buses.
Then turn right onto Susan
So
Court.
now that I fixed it, it's back in its normal parking spot.
I haven't ridden 31 or 32 for a long time.
Long time, 7-Eleven.
The only two diesel buses I usually rode is 30 and 33, not 31 or
Then turn right onto
32.
Susan Court.